Digital real estate is a term used to describe virtual properties or assets that hold value in the online world. Just like physical real estate, digital real estate can be bought, sold, or rented to generate income. But what exactly falls under the category of digital real estate? Websites, domain names, social media accounts, and even email lists are all examples of digital real estate. The key to profiting digital real estate is understanding its market value and finding ways to monetize it. For example, you can buy a domain name, build a website on it, and sell it for profit. Or you can create valuable content on social media and attract advertisers or sponsors. With the rise of e-commerce and online presence, the demand for digital real estate is only growing. So, can you make money from digital real estate? The answer is yes, if you're willing to put in the time, effort, and strategic thinking to unlock its potential. Stay tuned for more videos about digital real estate and how to make money from it. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more insights on digital world. Ciao.